Assalamualaikum class 4. I hope you are doing great. So class, today is 15th of April 2021 and the day is Thursday. So class, yesterday we studied about the concept of how we can add numbers which goes up to millions. Isn't class? Sadeem? Very good. So according to this concept, I have an example. Add the numbers 321 space 425 space 161. This is the first number class, and the second is 622 421 231 plus. So what would we do class when we have two numbers which goes up to million? So what is the first step? Very good. We will add one by one. Now I am going to start from this side, which is right. Now 1 is for upper and 1 for lower. In total I have 2. In total I have 2 numbers. Next is 6 plus 3. 6 for upper, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And 3 for lower, 1, 2, 3. So class, in total I have 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 9 in total. Is it clear? Okay. Now the next value, which is 1 plus 2. So 1 for upper and 2 for lower. So in total class I have 3. In total I have 3. So this 392 belongs to ones. Okay. Next unit is 1000. And the next unit is million. Now class, if you look, there is a space between 421 and 231. So it belongs to next unit, which is 1000. First number of 1000 in upper is 55. Is 5. So 5 for upper, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 1 for lower. So in total I have, Abdullah, you tell me, in total I have 6. Very good. In total I have 6. Next is 2 plus 2, which is 2 for upper and 2 for lower. In total I have class 4. In total I have 4. Very good. Now next, which is 4 plus 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 for upper and 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 for lower. So in total I have, yes Anya, you tell me, in total I have 8. In total I have 8. Very good. So this 846 belongs to 1000 column. Is it clear class? Now I am moving towards next, which is million columns. Million columns. So first value of million in upper is 1 and the first value of million in lower is 2. So in total class I have 1, 2, 3. 3 in total. Fine. Now for next value of million in upper is 3. 3 for upper and 6 for lower. 3 for upper, 1, 2, 3 and 6 for lower. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So in total I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 in total. Okay. So this is how we can add numbers which goes up to million. Fine class. Now I am going to read this number which is in total as 943,846,392. Okay. Now I am going to write in words which is 943,000 or 43 million 8,000 46 300 and 92. This is how we can read and write numbers which goes up to million. Fine class? Okay. Now today we have next question which is question number 5. Question number 5. Write vertically and add. Okay. A part which is 24,639 plus 10 space 251. Okay. I have question number 5, A part which is and the statement is write vertically and add. Fine. At this time this is at horizontal way, this is in horizontal way. Now I am going to write first in vertical form. Vertical form क्या होती है हमारे पास क्लास? कॉलम वाइज. ठीक है. कॉलम वाइज हमारे पास क्या होती है? वर्टिकल फॉर्म. And horizontal is row wise. Horizontal is row wise. So this is row wise. Now according to a statement I am going to write first in vertical form which is 24 space 639 10 space 251. Okay. So as you know the first unit from the right side is ones and this is 3-digit number. Okay. And if you look class there is a space in between of two numbers like this. So we can write this belongs to 1000 column. Now I am going to start from this side and I will add one by one which is 9 for upper 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 1 for lower. So in total I have class. Hadia, you tell me. In total I have very good. I have 10 in total which is 2-digit number. So it is the rule of addition when we have 2-digit number we just write only the number which is at unit place. Now in this number the unit place is 0 and 1 is as a carry. We will write 1 as a carry. Okay. Now the next number which is 3 plus 1, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 4 lower. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So in total I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 in total. Okay class? 9 in total. Now the next value which is 6 plus 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 2, 4 lower. So in total I have class. Yes Abu Bakr? Very good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 in total. Fine. Now the next value which is 4 plus 0 which belongs to 1000. 4 plus 0 equals to 4 and 2 plus 1 is equals to 3. 1, 2 and 3. Fine class. Now this is the total. In the end we have, and now I am going to read this value which is in total as 34,890. Fine. Now I am going to write this value which is in total in words. 34,890. Okay class? So this is how we can solve add numbers which goes up to thousand and millions. Now I am going to solve another part which is in 3 numbers in total. Fine? अब ये हमारे पास क्या था? This is the first number and this is the second number. Now I am going to solve 3 numbers at a time. D part 14 space 838 plus 249 501 plus 108 space 633. Okay, the first number is 14 space 838, the second number is 249501 and the third number is 108633. Fine class. Now I am going to write first in vertical form because as you know this is the horizontal form and according to statement we have to write first in vertical form. So as I told you before class, what is vertical form? Yes Abdullah? Very good. वर्टिकल फॉर्म जो है वो कॉलम वाइज होती है और हॉरिजॉन्टल फॉर्म क्या होती है? रो वाइज होती है. नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू राइट one by one which is one by one numbers. The first is 14 space 838. Fine. The second number is 249 space 501. I am starting from this side. So 501 is below at 838. Now the next which belongs to thousand column which is below at 14. 249 like this. am going to give names according to place value. From this side, this first value belongs to ones and this column belongs to thousand. Fine class? Okay. Now I am going to solve addition of numbers one by one. I am starting from this side, which is right side. Now 8 plus 1 plus 3. So 8 4 upper. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 1 4 middle and 3 4 lower. 1 2 3. So in total class I have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. 2 digit in total. So I will write the number which is at unit place like as 2 and 1 as a carry. Fine. Now the next number which is 3 plus 0 plus 3. So 3 4 upper, 0 4 middle and 3 4 lower. So in total I have class 6. Very good. Now the next number which is 8 4 upper. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 5 4 middle. 1 2 3 4 5 and 6 4 lower. 1 2 3 4 5 6. So in total I have class 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19. Okay? 19. So again 2 digit number. So I will write the value which is at unit place as 9 and I will write 1 as a carry which is on next unit. Fine. अब 19 आया था ना, तो हम उसको यहाँ पे 2 digit number नहीं लिखेंगे. We will write only unit place value. Fine. Now the next number which is 4 plus 1 5 in total in upper. 1 2 3 4 5 4 4 middle. 1 2 3 4 and 0 4 lower. So in total I have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. 9 in total. Now 2 plus 1. यहाँ पर अब कोई वैल्यू नहीं है. For upper we have no value, so we will write 0 for balancing these numbers. Okay. So 0 for upper, 2 for middle and 1 for lower. So in total I have, the next number which is 1 for upper, 4 for middle and 0 for lower. So in total I have 5. I have 5. Okay. The next number which is 2 for middle and 1 for lower. So in total I have class 3. I have 3. So this is how we can solve numbers which goes up to 1000. Fine class? Now so class, there is a mistake. 3 plus 1 4 and 4 plus 3 is 7. 3 plus 1 ये कैरी हम इसमें काउंट करना भूल गए थे. So 3 plus 1 4 and 4 plus 3 is 7. Now 8 plus 5 is 13 and 13 plus 6 is 19. 2 digit number, so I will write 9 below 6 and 1 as a carry. For next I have 9 plus 4. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 and 14. 14 and 14 plus 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So in total I have class 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. Sorry, यहाँ पे क्या आना था? 22. Fine. And 2 as a carry. 2 as a carry. For next, 4 plus 1 is 5. 5 plus 2 is 7. 5 plus 2 is 7. इस कैरी की वजह से वो सोल्यूशन जो है वो थोड़ा सा प्रॉब्लम हो गया था. नाउ आई विल फिक्स इट. सो इन द एंड वी हैव 372 space 972. Fine class. So in the end we can read as 372,972. Fine. So this is how we can solve numbers, addition of numbers, which is 3 in total. Fine. And which goes up to 1000. So you have to practice question number 5 on your notebooks. If you find any difficulty related to this, you can ask me. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.